Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to repair a fuel pump motor. Start by disconnecting the battery and relieving fuel pressure, then clear the work area and gather tools. Use gloves, eye protection, and a fire extinguisher close at hand to stay safe. I will walk you through accessing the pump, testing the motor and wiring, replacing worn parts, and reassembling the system so your vehicle runs smoothly again. Begin by locating the fuel pump and any access panels specific to your vehicle, then prepare to remove the tank or open the access cover. Take your time to label connectors and hoses so reassembly is simple and accurate. Keep a clean workspace and lay out parts in order to avoid confusion. I will guide you through safe removal, inspection of the assembly, and tips to prevent common mistakes during disassembly and handling. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step repair content. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long wrenching sessions and reliable performance while working under the car. I use them on long jobs and they last through greasy days. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the pump removed, bench testing helps pinpoint whether the motor, brushes, or wiring are at fault. Use a fused 12V supply and an ammeter for accurate diagnosis. Clean or replace clogged screens, damaged wiring, or worn brushes as needed, and consider a rebuild kit for seals and bearings. I will explain careful reinstallation steps, torque specs, and how to test the system under pressure to ensure dependable operation once completed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.